Okay, back here with this XCub, it had its new fuse, and I got a new battery hatch after that last crash. Also, the elevator servo was replaced. So everything else is from the original one that I had. Hopefully everything feels okay. Taking off. Let's see. I got a little bit of a left roll. Let me give a little right trim. Oh, now it's perfect. There's a training class going on. Landing from the left. Alright, I'm gonna bring this in, make manual adjustments, and be back up. Taxiing off. Okay, let me readjust the trim.